Hey, welcome to the shop. Today we're going to be turning this $15 Facebook Marketplace shelf into some hopefully very nice wall art. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get this channel growing and let's get into this project. The first step is going to be deconstructing the shelf. The reason I bought this shelf is because I could tell it was made from 1x12s, and I'd probably pay between $40 and $60 to buy this many linear feet of 1x12 at the hardware store. I should end up with plenty of extra pieces at the end of this project as well. The plan for my wall art is to make 3 rectangular frames that will hold pieces of a tree branch. I'm calling it the tree branch shadow box. The middle of the 3 frames will also be a little taller than the others, not only to fit the branches, but also to provide some aesthetic. I did have to get a little fancy in cutting the longest pieces out of the irregular shelf, but it worked out in the end. Now that my frame pieces are cut to size, I'm going to build the frames so that I can start laying out the branches. I went and found this beech tree branch this morning, and it's still a little green. Fingers crossed it won't shrink too much, but only time will tell. I'm going to cut the branch into the pieces that I need and secure them to the frames with 16 gauge pin nails. I've seen similar items online selling for $200 to $300, so I guess this could be considered a Facebook flip. Maybe I'll post it on Facebook when I'm done and see what someone's willing to pay for it. My total investment into this project is half of the $15 shelf, a free tree branch, a couple of pieces of frame hanging hardware that were laying around, and maybe $2 worth of nails. So let's call it $10 plus 2 hours of work. All right, here's the final set complete. Let's take them inside, hang them up, and see how they look. All right, here's the finished piece. I think it looks pretty good. Turned out pretty well. As you can tell, this is my new office. Needs a lot of work. Right now I have a temporary desk, and this is the first thing on the wall. So I need to do drywall repairs and some other stuff in here. I want to build a desk, and then I want to really make this place look awesome. So this is the first step in doing that. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Helps us out a ton. We're just trying to get this channel off the ground. So it's all appreciated, and we will see you guys next time.